What's going on, guys? We got day one CamaroFest, Kentucky, Bowling Green. Here we go. Today is day one of CamaroFest. Obviously, we're not there yet because day one is road course. So there's lots of cars going around road course right now. The meet and greet actually starts at 7 o'clock tonight. So we are hightailing it to Bowling Green to make it there before that so we can get to the hotel, all that greatness, get the car shined up. But yeah, we're on our way. We're in Arkansas right now. We're literally just coming up on Memphis, Tennessee, and we're cruising along. So we still got 284 miles to go, which is a lot, but it's coming to the end of the leg all the way out. So looking forward to today. We'll wrap up the end of this video with hopefully Camaros in Kentucky, and we're super excited to be there. So CamaroFest 2019, here we come. So, a gas stop, a lunch stop, and a wall of trees later. And Ryan being, I want out of my chair. You want out of your chair, bud? Pretty soon. Pretty soon. We are a little under an hour away from Nashville, which means we're an additional hour after that away from Bowling Green, Kentucky. And we're almost there.
We're going to Kentucky.
Ryan has no idea where we're going. Kentucky. Yeah, we're gonna go to Bowling Green, Kentucky, go see a whole bunch of race cars. You wanna see race cars? Maybe? No? Okay. Well, the boys are all being entertained in the back outside of Ryan, who is now thoroughly bored with all of the things we've tried to distract him with. And yeah, it's a good thing we're almost there. So he's getting stir crazy. I'm good actually this year. This time last year, I was going like this last 2 hours felt like 20 hours. So we're almost there. We'll show you a ton of cars when we get there. That's all I got for now. So let's keep going. So we're cruising down the highway. I totally thought at this point we would have seen a ton of Camaros passing us. It is Thursday, the first day. People usually arrive because the meet and greet's tonight at 7 o'clock. We've seen one Camaro driving past us the whole time. Now I've seen like 12 Camaros driving away from Kentucky. I don't know. I know there's lots of groups that are arriving, are rolling up. Maybe they're just further back behind us. We did leave a little bit earlier than normal, but yeah. Hopefully we'll see some cars once we get through Nashville. We'll see. Well, we made it to Nashville. Traffic. I guess I can't really blame them. It is a work day during rush hour. A little bit more behind. I guess we're going to get to Bowling Green a little after 6 now. Well, we made it. This is the first year we're staying at the Courtyard. It was the only one that had rooms big enough for my family. Unfortunately, Holiday Inn did get a couple open rooms after the fact, but it was too late to change it. But car's here, I'm here. Now we gotta go find parking, which I already know where the parking is, so I don't have to find it. I just have to get there. So let's go do that. There's not that many Camaros on this side this year, but they're secure in their spots. Looking good. Some trucks. There's Mr. Mike Lee himself's car, chilling. They're everywhere. So I'm headed back to my hotel, but I'm also dropping off cones for Nick and them because he seems to have forgotten cones.
Thank you.
No problem, man. Housekeeping! Oh wow, this is big.
Hi, Daddy.
So do you think we can fit everybody in here?
This is a sleeper sofa.
I know, that's a sleeper sofa.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
My beautiful wife was worried we wouldn't sleep, everybody.
Daddy.
Hi, bud. We're here. We made it. You got a pen? You gonna color on things? Just color on the paper, please. Thank you. Okay, guys, we made the meet and greet. They haven't started yet. They're running a little bit late, but all of the Camaro owners, they're here. Look at pizza's getting devoured. Us Camaro drivers, we're pizza monsters.
Sponsorship this year, which was awesome. We needed someone, and of course,
Telling you guys, oh god, that's blinding. I'm telling you guys, all things Camaro, CamaroFest here, Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's a great show, East Coast, but remember, CamaroCon West Coast is gonna be just like this, and it's gonna be great. Camaros everywhere. But yes, CamaroFest 2019, we're here. It's good times. I'm gonna wrap the video here. It's been a long day. There's a lot of stuff. It is technically day one of CamaroFest, but tomorrow's gonna be drag racing. It's gonna be everything. So expect full videos, full overviews, full everything. It's all coming. CamaroFest is here. And until next time, guys, see you on the road.